I think the biggest trend is just making sure that your system's up to date. So water conservation is important. Doing an irrigation audit with some of our team and some of our irrigation experts, it's going to help you save water because we'll make sure that the heads are right, that they're rotating correctly, the system, if it needs to be upgraded, that you can get the technology to manage the water better. They've got so many new nozzles, new heads, new control systems that can manage your water a whole lot better than the old systems from the 80s and 90s.
The number one trend, unfortunately, is labor. We really try at SiteOne to help our customers find ways to maximize their labor. And so, whether it be slow release fertilizers, some of the new equipment that we have, products, plant growth regulators, there's certain things that we can do as a business partner to help customers who are maybe 20–30% down on their labor force. So it's probably the number one issue in the golf industry right now.